Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the cryptocurrency advisor. Okay, so let's open the web page. Like we have to copy and paste the URL and it will open the home page. So let's scroll down. Okay, these are the bitcoin-usd. Let's click on it. Just scroll down and it will show the pricing. So just click on the bitcoin-dogecoin. Okay, this is the complete page. You can click on the right scroll. These are two buttons, read more and get a quote. This is the about section. Okay, let's scroll down. If you enter a mail, full name, phone number, message, if you click on the send button, then it will send on that particular register number. Okay, these are social media links and these are menu bars. Just click on the about us page, so it will open the about section. This is the news section. So this is the complete news section where you can see all those news. If you click on the next button, then it will open the second page. If you click on it, then it will open the complete blog. Okay, so this is the complete news section. Then click on the event section. So these are upcoming events. If you click on the read mode, then it will open the complete website or blog. Okay, these are upcoming events. And let's click on the contact us page. So this is the contact us page, and once you click on the login, then it will open the login page. Now I'm just entering the email and password and then click on the send button. So it will open the home page. Okay, and just click on the online form. It will open the chatbot room. Let's create one room. Bitcoin forum. Click on the create room, so it will create the room. Now I'm just say hello guys, this is Bitcoin related chatting group, and then click on the send button. So you can ask questions over here. Just click on send button. So that message sent by Weber. Okay, let's open another section and click on the menu bar and click on the sign up button. Let's sign up with the demo details like Priyanshi. Button. So the user created, your account has been created successfully. Are you able to log in? So I'm just login. So we are now able to log in. Then click on the send button. Okay, it will create the one more profile. Click on the Bitcoin forum. So you will receive the Weber message. Hello Weber. Just click on send and it will receive from the Weber side. How are you? I'm just sending from the Priyanshi side, and the Weber will receive the message. Now, hi Priyanshi, I'm good. Okay, so like we can chatting in that particular group. Multiple people can join this firm and have a group chat. Just click on the send button. Yeah, and Weber will receive that message like it is sent by Priyanshi. Just click on the back button. You can create the new group also, like Ethereum group by Priyanshi. Okay, and then click on the create room. So room created successfully. Now group admin is Priyanshi. The previous group admin is Vaibhav. Now, hey all. So just click on open the menu bar and open the online form. Okay, Ethereum group by Priyanshi and Bitcoin form created by Vaibhav. Okay, this is the date and timing and sending by Vaibhav. Now the second group is Priyanshi. Hello. So it is sent by Vaibhav now and today. Okay, so this is the complete project and these are the menu bars. These are social media icons. Okay, if you're in doubt, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description, or else you can comment your doubts. Okay, let's click on the logout button. Yeah, this is the complete web page. Okay, thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.